Hello, everyone. Just an FYI, the government has mandated free COVID at-home testing kits. You can retrieve one of your kits by going on to COVID.GOV, and it starts Monday, September 25th, 2023. And as you know, we are in our cold and flu season, and also too, we do have different types of strands of COVID floating around. So it's better to be safe than sorry. And usually it takes about 5 to 7 business days for the at-home COVID test to reach your home address. So take advantage of this, and it's free from the government. Again, it's free from the government. So again, COVID.gov, Monday, September 25th, 2023.